So guys, this is about 2 handfuls of spinach, 60 grams. Welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking meatballs, and I've got 500 grams of beef mince. There's 500 grams there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to season my beef mince. So let's put black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, alright guys, so I've got 500 grams of beef mince which I have seasoned with black pepper and paprika, a teaspoon of each. And now I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning. So guys, I'm making meatballs for dinner today, and I'm going to add some Italian herbs, just a tablespoon of that. And onion seasoning, just add some onion seasoning. And some salt, just add salt. So now I'm going to add breadcrumbs. I've made, this is homemade breadcrumbs, about half a cup of breadcrumbs. And now I'm going to add about 3 eggs. So just get the 3 eggs. So now I'm going to mix this through, guys. Just I'm going to put this in the fridge and sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then I'll cook my meatballs. So with the meatballs, I'm going to make a sub. This is the bread I'm going to use, the kind of bread, and with meatballs. And that's gonna be our dinner today, guys. Look, it's so simple to make meatballs. And this meatballs is full of flavors, and it's not flavorless. There's a lot of flavors in there. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you can. Now I'm going to cook my meatballs. Oil in a pan. Just adding oil in a pan. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. So guys, I'm going to brown my meatballs and then set them aside. Alright, I'm going to set this aside. One large onion, about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, Italian herbs, just cooking this for about a minute to two. I'm going to add the passata, tomato puree, about a cup. You can add a can of tomato if you've got a can of tomato, but I'm just going to add the passata. It's a tomato puree, tomato mix. Just mixing this. Just adding water. Adding salt to the sauce. Now I'm bringing back my meatballs, guys. Just bring them back and cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes. Oh, there actually is. I'm just adding spinach. So guys, this is about 2 handfuls of spinach, 60 grams. Genau, das geht so drin. How are both of us going on his balls and he still had me like I mean big like what? And those. There's a bunch of glue right here. In the oven for 2 minutes.